Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Audio. My name is Jackson. I speak slowly and clearly.
Hello, friends. My name is Lena. I am happy you are here. You can relax. You can speak English.
Today, we will talk about airport English. This lesson is for beginners. You will hear easy words. You will hear easy sentences.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Learning is slow and simple.
Let us begin. Airport. An airport is a place for planes.
I am at the airport.
Flight. A flight is a plane trip.
My flight is in the morning.
Ticket. A ticket is for travel.
I have my ticket.
Passport. A passport is your travel ID.
I have my passport.
Boarding pass. You need it to get on the plane.
This is my boarding pass.
Check-in. Check-in is the first step at the airport.
I check in at the counter.
Counter. The counter is the desk.
The counter is over there.
Luggage. Luggage means bags.
This is my luggage.
Security. Security checks people and bags.
Security is next.
Gate. The gate is where you wait for the plane.
My gate is 23.
Seat. A seat is where you sit.
This is my seat.
Window seat. A window seat is near the window.
I like a window seat.
An aisle seat. An aisle seat is near the walking path.
I like an aisle seat.
Boarding. Boarding means getting on the plane.
Boarding starts soon.
Delay. Delay means late.
My flight is delayed.
On time. On time means not late.
My flight is on time.
Where is the check-in counter?
The check-in counter is on the left.
May I see your passport?
Here you are.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
What time is boarding?
Boarding is at 9 o'clock.
Which gate?
Gate 23.
My flight is delayed.
I am sorry. Please wait here.
I need help.
Yes, how can I help you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. I need to check in.
Sure. May I see your passport?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Okay.
Thank you. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is 23. Boarding is at 9 o'clock.
Gate 23. Thank you.
Hello. Please show your boarding pass.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please put your bag here.
Okay.
Please walk through.
Okay.
You are done.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes?
Is this gate 23?
Yes, it is.
What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 9 o'clock.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on time.
That is good. Thank you.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you are.
Your seat is 12A. It is a window seat.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is this an airport?
Yes, it is an airport.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have a passport.
Is your flight on time?
Yes, my flight is on time.
What is your gate?
My gate is 23.
Do you need help?
Yes, I need help.
We talked about the airport today.
We talked about passport and ticket.
We talked about check-in and gate.
You listened very well.
You are learning English.
You are doing great.
Thank you for listening to this lesson.
Practice every day. Speak slowly.
We are proud of you.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.